Today we're making Tabbouleh salad. It's considered a traditional dish of both Lebanon and Syria. It's an excellent vegan dish that's very nutrient dense and supports digestion. And because of its high water content, it's very hydrating. In this recipe, I'm using quinoa, but the traditional grain is bulgur wheat. First, we're going to boil the quinoa in salted water for 12 to 15 minutes. Then when it's done, we let it cool down to room temperature. Then we're going to prepare our raw ingredients. Start by finely chopping some parsley. Then finely chop some cucumbers. Then finely chop some green onions. Then finely chop a bunch of mint leaves. Now finely slice some tomatoes. Once we've added the quinoa, we're going to add in some pomegranate seeds. Then we're going to add just 1 clove of minced garlic. Now let's make the dressing. The final part is serving the salad in traditional lettuce leaves. This is to provide an extra crunch, hydration, and presentation style. Happy eating!